Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is play a chord in the right hand. It's going to be a B and a G sharp. You can play that with your thumb and your fourth finger. After that, you're going to play that G sharp again. Then you're going to play an E, then you're going to play a B. So it's chord, at that point when you play that B, you're actually going to play a B, G sharp, E, back down to the B. So play it again, it's the next thing you're going to do is play this here. And what that is that's a D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and an F sharp again. Finally, after that, you're going to play a B, G sharp, F sharp, then a D sharp again. So it's once again. At this point, you're going to do this here. And you can really think of that as a C sharp minor 7th, because you're actually playing a C, E, G sharp, and a B. So what I'm doing is I'm playing a broken chord basically. That's what you first do. C sharp, E, G sharp, E. After that, I'm going to play this here, which is a B, G sharp, E, C sharp. It's basically the C minor 7th. It's a broken chord going downward. Then after that, what you're going to do is play this here. So what that is that's a A major, A, C sharp, E, C sharp. That's what you're going to do first. You're going to do that first. Then you're going to play an A up here, E, C sharp, A. Then you repeat at this point. So once again, it's then repeat. And so on. Now after repeating for a couple of times, what happens in the song is she jumps up and starts playing the harmonics of that main melody. A lot of the same notes are played, but she plays a higher harmonic. So let's pretend that you played it once and you got to this point here. When you get to this point, you start to repeat. Now what you're going to do is do this here. You're going to play that G sharp again. You're going to play G sharp, E. You're going to play E up here now. And what that is that's a E, B, G sharp, E. And notice those are just notes in the E major chord, broken. So it's, at this point, you're going to play this here, which you already know, except you're going to add a C sharp now. Actually not a C sharp, but a D sharp. What you're going to do is play that as you played before. You're going to add a D sharp, B, F sharp, D sharp. So it's, now you're going to play that C sharp minor chord, the minor 7th. Except now it's not going to be a 7th, it's just going to be a regular C sharp minor, because you're not playing the B, you're going to play that C sharp now. So it's, C sharp, G sharp, E, C sharp. And at that point, you're going to jump back down to that A, the A major. So that's kind of tricky because you're going to play that A, you're going to play that A major broken. Now instead of playing the A this time, you're going to play a C sharp. So it's C sharp, A, E, back down to the A. So at that point, after you play that, you jump right back into the song from the beginning. Etc. Now, one interesting thing to note about this song is that even though it's a simple song, there's subtle things that we must be aware of. There's that undertone melody that's being played. For example, when she plays that chord, she's really accentuating the B. Whether you hear it or not, it's that next note that she accentuates is the D sharp. So it's really played more firmly than the other notes. So it stands out. The same thing with that C sharp. Same thing with the A. So if you listen to it, it's now playing the pedal with this song. What I'm doing is every time I start a new broken chord, I release the pedal, then press it down and hold it. So for example, I'd be holding down the pedal here. After I play that B, I release the pedal and play it again once I press that D sharp. Release, hold, release, hold, release, hold, and so on.